I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Schumacher, my fine friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get those profits. Well, no, the first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. We're too much off time. I will never think of anything dangerous that I damage the ship. And do yes, well, this is why I start my own company, to have ridiculous conversations with the talking trash bin. Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make ourselves some money.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Bags off, seatbelts on. Once your seatbelts are
Your flashing button. You better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us! Take evasive action! Gunners! We need to defend ourselves! Open fire! Gunners, blast away! Blast! Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineer! Fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. that was. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the plane so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Get behind the plane. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. I thought you had it. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Oh, fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. Well, keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another Ratha loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
Make sure you grab all your cargo with you, folks.
We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.